Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll show you how to apply a promo code on Temu in 2025, so you can save money on your next order. Step 1. Open the Temu app and log in. Make sure you are logged into your account before you start shopping. Step 2. Browse and add items to your cart. Find the products you want to buy and add them to your shopping cart by tapping the Add to Cart button. Step 3. Go to your cart. Once you've added everything you want, tap the shopping cart icon at the top right corner of the app. Step 4. Review your order. Check the items in your cart to make sure everything is correct: quantity, size, and price. Step 5. Find the promo code box. Below the order summary, you'll see a field labeled promo code or coupon code. Tap on it. Step 6. Enter your promo code. Type or paste your promo code carefully. Make sure there are no extra spaces or errors. Step 7. Apply the promo code. Tap Apply to activate the discount. You should see your total price reduce right away if the code is valid. Step 8. Complete your purchase. If the promo code works, continue with your checkout process by selecting your payment method and confirming your order. Step 9. Troubleshooting promo codes. If your promo code doesn't work, check that. The code hasn't expired. It applies to the items in your cart. You've met any minimum purchase requirements. If it still doesn't work, try another code or contact Temu support for help. That's it. Now you know how to easily apply promo codes on Temu and save money. If this guide helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for Guide with Samuel. Have any questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.